everyone, today I want to talk to you about using hyaluronic acid fillers to lift the skin. So when we have areas of our face, specifically the mid or low face, and we want to lift them, it can be really beautiful to use filler to do that. And in doing so, when we have like a deep nasolabial fold or a marionette line, it's really not the most natural result to necessarily immediately put filler in these areas. It's gonna flatten out the face, and naturally we have curvature to our face, we have areas of shadow. So to provide a more natural result, it can be really nice to put filler back behind, let's say in the lateral cheek or even along the jawline to lift that area. So if I were to have a really deep nasolabial fold, if I put filler back up in the cheek, it helps to lift this, it lifts the jawline, it softens that marionette. So we're replacing volume, but it's also helping to lift the skin. So if you want to find out if filler is appropriate for you for a lift, you can find us online at RejuvenationMDmedspa.com.